Alright then, just taking a quick look at Vechain then on the daily time frame. As we can see, nothing much has changed over the past few days, just having a nice little consolidation. After that nice bounce off the lows, Vechain actually holding quite strong, considering that we've had a fairly decent little Bitcoin pullback, obviously losing a little bit of a trend line support, dropping back down to around 69k after sitting at around that 70k mark for the majority of the weekend. But you can see here Vechain just still looking really quite good in this local area, to be honest. You can see the lovely back test. The structure of this chart is so good, by the way, isn't it? Look at this higher highs and higher lows. This previous dip that we've just seen coming back down, testing back into that 100 moving average, so bullish, touched it and then bounced up immediately. Also back testing that previous swing high resistance as support. These higher highs and higher lows looking really textbook and beautiful here, as you can see. Anyone just buying this previous resistance as support has seen themselves have a very nice bounce from around 3.6, 3.7 cents up to around that current swing high. They essentially made themselves a nice little cent gain on Vechain there. If you'd bought here and just held it till now, you would have made yourself a nice little 25% gain just from buying a dip, basically, which is absolutely crazy, isn't it, really, when you think about it in terms of what you can do in these crypto markets. But you can see just what we're looking at here. This bear market resistance here flipped into support, along with the backtest of the 100 moving average and that previous swing. Lovely bounce back to the upside, reclaiming this previous level of support. It was flipped into resistance for a few hours here. If you look at this hourly chart, you can see support at the Fibonacci level. We flip it into resistance, chop around a bit, but we broke out of our downtrend resistance, broke out, tested again, and then you can see here we've come back inside the range that we were in previously. Vechain looking like it really actually is gearing up quite nicely for this bull market. Obviously we're into April now. Happy April 1st. I hope you're not getting clowned too much by your friends. But you can see it's quite clear to me that with the Bitcoin halving this month, 20 days away, if you believe the clock, we're going to be seeing some very nice gains for altcoins once we start to see Bitcoin moving up through its all-time high and beyond. We'll see altcoins moving up through their fib levels, getting back towards their all-time highs. You can see here Vechain, in my opinion, primed for a very nice move and continuation to the upside through these Fibonacci levels here. Let's see what we can do going forward. Everything looking completely fine to me, and I'm really excited to see what's happening in this bull market this year. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.